Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find forgotten username in Twitter or X. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your browser. It could be on your computer or mobile device. And then just go ahead over to gmail.com, right? Or you could go ahead and open up the Gmail app if you have it in your phone. Now, in Gmail or your emailing service that is tied to your X account, just go ahead and use the search bar and type down X or Twitter. And then you'll be able to see these emails from X, okay? Let's say this one right here. Now, as you can see here, I have my username. And at the top left, I have my handle, okay? You could try one of these two to log in with your X account. If not, you could go ahead over to x.com. For example, you don't have it or you don't have the specific email. Just go ahead over to x.com and just continue logging in with Google if you have connected to your X account to your Google account. If you can't remember your email, use your phone number. And if you can't use or continue with your phone number, and if you don't have a Google account, you can use Apple right here. If not, you can just type down your email address right here. And then once done, just click on continue. And in here, instead of writing down the password, all you'll do basically is just click on forgot password, just like so. And then hit on continue. Select your email right here, and an email will be sent to your emailing service. For example, I have here Google. All right. You should receive the same exact password reset email. So again, here you have your handle. Just double click on this code right here to log in, and then type down your new password. After that, you'll be logged in, and just basically go to the bottom left, and here you have your username. So that is it. That's how simple it is to find a forgotten username in Twitter or X. Another way to find out, you can just go ahead and ask your friend, okay, to find your username. And that's basically the simplest way to find it. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.